Just a random thought. I don't understand how handymans don't charge for their time when they go to the big box stores. If you're going to go to the big box stores, or you're going to spend time getting material, please make sure you add it to the estimate. It kills me how these handymans don't take this as a business and don't take it seriously. This is a business. You have to account for your time. If you leave it to the customer, they want you to do everything for free. And don't forget about those hidden fees or this hidden work that your clients want you to do. Can you just quickly paint this little spot right here? Can you screw this screw in? Can you remove this? If you allow the customer to dictate your work, they will want everything for free. I'm gonna just make this a short video, and by saying, make sure you account for each and every second that you work. If you're gonna go take out time to go get the material, make sure you add that to the bill. You know, I upcharge all my material by at least 20-25%. I tell the customer that I'm going to do that. If they choose, they can go pick it up themselves and save themselves that cost. But hey, these customers nowadays, they know that the service, the additional service, they're going to pay for it. However, if they can get away with it by saying, hey, can you please just do this for me, they will. So the message of the day is, ensure that each and every second that you spend on your business is paid for by a customer, because it's extremely important. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Please hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me if I'm wrong. Should I be charging 20-25% markup on materials for my time? Be safe.